Hello everyone, my name is Fatima.m.albani and today we're going to have a new letter. It is letter Ghain. It looks the same as letter Ain as you can remember from the last lesson. Letter Ghain, it has a dot above it. So let's write it like this. It has two parts and a dot above it. We pronounce it like French R, R, R. You have to pronounce it from your throat. It is R. Let's see how do we write letter Ghain at the beginning of the word. As you can see, it's absolutely the same as letter Ain, but it has a dot above it. This is letter Ghain in the middle of the word, and letter Ghain at the end of the word. We write it like this, with a dot above it. And as you can remember, we color it like this if we are using script Ruqa. And now let's see how do letter Ghain looks like. How does it look like in the words? This is letter Ghain in the beginning of the word, and we have Ghurab. Ghurab means raven. Ghurab. 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 This is letter Ghain in the beginning of the word. It has a dot above it, and now let's write this word together. Letter Ghain in the beginning of the word, in the word Ghurab. This is letter Ghain. It connects with Ra. And then we add letter Ghain. This. And letter Ba. In the beginning of the word, letter Ghain, in the word Babbaga, which means parrot, Babbaga, Babbaga, this is letter Ghain, like this. Now let's try this word, Babbaga, Ba, and then Ba, and then Ghain, A. And now we're going to add the dots, and do not forget about shadda because it is a letter. Babbaga. I prefer to color letter Ghain because the next lessons you will see that we have letter Fa, and in the middle of the word it will look absolutely the same as letter Ghain, so it is better for you to color it because letter Fa we do not color it at all. And now let's see letter Ghain at the end of the word. This is letter Ghain in the word Samagh, which means glue. Samagh, Samagh. Here we have letter Ghain like that. Like this, we write it Ghain, and we have a dot above it like this. Sad. Sad has this part, tooth, and then Mim. And then letter Ghain at the end of the word. So this is Samagh. When it is by itself in the word Dimagh, which means brain, Dimagh, here we have letter Ghain. In the playlist A0, it is not important for you to know how do we translate these words because the most important thing for you in this playlist is to learn how to read and to write. In the next playlist, you will learn the words and you will learn grammatic rules, but here you have to concentrate on reading and writing. And now we're going to read Dimagh, write Dimagh together. Dimagh. So this is Dimagh, which means brain. And now we're going to read this text together. It's a small text. We'll translate it. Okay, let's start. Fi, it means in, waqt, time, al-faragh, free time. So in the free time, ajma'u, I collect. Ajmala, the most beautiful. As-suwari, the most beautiful pictures. أقصها I cut them بحذر carefully وألصقها and I glue them بالغراء with glue ففي كراستي in my notebook صورة a picture غزال صغير a picture of a small deer غزال it means deer صغير small ومنظر and a view لغروب الشمس and a view of a sunset. Let's read this text again. في وقت الفراغ أجمع أجمل الصور أقصها بحذر وألصقها بالغراء ففي كراستي صورة غزال صغير ومنظر لغروب الشمس. And now let's stop this video and try to read these words by yourself. فراغ it means free غراء glue غزال deer صغير small غروب sunset. And now we're going to finish this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time. أراكم المرة القادمة. مع السلامة.